Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Chromecast and switching the TV to its HDMI input. Once visible, plug in power and wait for the welcome screen. Open Google Home on your Android and make sure you are signed into the same Google account that will manage the device. While you do this, check Wi-Fi. Your phone and Chromecast must share the same network. Once done, tap Add in Google Home to discover and begin setup. This kicks off device pairing and on-screen configuration. You continue by following Google Home prompts. When the app finds the Chromecast, verify the on-screen code to confirm you're connecting to the right device, then assign a room name for easier control. Next, choose the Wi-Fi network and enter the password so Chromecast can join. If an update appears, install it now to avoid compatibility issues. Make sure to grant the app local network and Bluetooth permissions on your phone, because these allow casting, discovery, and smoother reconnection in daily use. You finish by opening a cast-ready app like YouTube or Netflix, then tap the cast icon and select your Chromecast. Playback control stays on your phone while the media streams. Alternatively, open Google Home to mirror your Android screen or adjust settings such as volume and guest mode. If casting fails, reboot your router, phone, and Chromecast in that order. Make sure all devices are on the same Wi-Fi and not isolated by AP client isolation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.